Welcome to this shortwave radio channel. This is not exactly shortwave, it's really AM FM. I include this here because AM medium wave is part of what we talk about, but we like to talk about radio in general anyway. So this is my first HD receiver, the Sangean HDR-14 HD radio. So this is an AM FM receiver, and it receives the North American HD broadcasts that some stations are actually using. So we're going to do a little unboxing here. I just got this box around 2 minutes ago, so I don't know what's inside. Let's open the box together and see what's inside. We have a Sangean manual. So that's nice. Nice little manual explaining the radio. We have Sangean warranty. So this is limited warranty page, and all Chinese and different language, whatever. We have with it a nice little power supply. Look at that. It's quite heavy too. Sangean power supply. This is nice with the big toroid or ferrite here to remove the noise. So this is nice. And then we have the radio, which is in this pouch. And here we go. Nice little radio, actually. Wow, very stylish, and look at that glare. It's a finish, it's a mirror finish type. So HD radio, it's a little portable receiver. Headphone jack, volume on one side. We have key lock, little antenna here. Oh yeah, this is what I saw the other day. It's a little slider, so you put it like this, and you can have the radio hold correctly. Look at that. Simple but effective. This is what they were saying on the I think it's Radio J. Allen that was talking about, and actually give this portable very good reviews. So the only problem that he has with it is the sound, but you know, it's a little portable, so it's very small. Just to give you an idea how small, here's an XH data. Here's this one. So you see how it's actually small compared to an XH data. So this is an AM FM receiver, and it is for HD receiving. So it receives analog and HD radio stations. So here in Montreal, we got 5 or 6 stations in HD, a couple on the AM band and a few on the FM band. I decided to purchase this because of the upcoming changes the FCC have approved in the US for HD. I've seen a few people actually DX HD stations using a radio, so I don't know if I can do it, but we'll see. But I think it's going to be a lot of fun. So HD Sangean HDR-14 is the model, and it is according to a couple of reviews that I've seen, for a very small portable, one of the great HDR or HD receivers out there. So HD radio with FM stereo AM portable radio. So it's analog and HD, so receives both depending on what you have, where you live. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.